Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your AirPods are working perfectly for music and videos, but suddenly got silence when you are on a call, but don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you some quick and easy solutions to fix this problem. Solution 1. Check call audio routing. First up, let's check call audio routing. When you are on a call, tap the little audio or speaker icon. Sometimes your iPhone randomly decided to send sound through the phone speaker instead of your AirPods. Just make sure your AirPods are selected here. Solution 2. Forget and reconnect your AirPods. If that doesn't work, let's refresh the Bluetooth connection. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap on Bluetooth. Tap the eye icon next to your AirPods. Then tap on Forget this device. Now again tap on Forget to confirm your action. Now put your AirPods back in the case. Then close the lid for 15 seconds. After that, open it again. Hold the button on the back until the light flashes white. Finally, reconnect them to your iPhone. This quick reset usually clears up any connection bugs. Solution 3. Check microphone settings. Go to Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap on Bluetooth. Tap the eye icon next to your AirPods. Then tap on microphone. And make sure it's set it automatically switch AirPods. That's why either AirPods can pick up your voice during calls without issues. Solution 4. Adjust call audio routing in accessibility. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on accessibility. Then tap on touch button. Now scroll all the way down to call audio routing. Make sure this set is automatic. This ensures your iPhone knows where to send the call audio. Solution 5. Turn off headphone accommodation. Go to Settings app on your iOS device. Then tap on accessibility. Scroll down and tap on audio and visual. Then tap on headphone accommodation and turn it off. This setting sometimes interferes with normal call audio, so switching it off can fix the problem instantly. And that's it. One of these solutions should fix the problem for you. If it worked, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorial and iPhone tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.